So we need to use the substitution method to solve this linear equation. Before we start, let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2 to give us our system. Let's go ahead and isolate x in equation 2. So x minus y equals 3, so x equals 3 plus y. Now that we have that, we can plug that back into equation 1. So let's sub x equals 3 plus y into 1. 6x plus 5y equals 7, and instead of x, I'm going to write 3 plus y. 6 times 3 plus y plus 5y equals 7. And now that my entire equation is in terms of y, I can actually solve for y. So I'm going to start by opening up this bracket here by distributing all the terms by 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times y is 6y, plus 5y equals 7. Now I can add the like terms. 18 plus 11y equals 7. 11y equals 7 minus 18. 11y equals minus 11. Y equals minus 1. Now that I have that, I can plug that back into equation 2. So sub y equals minus 1 into 2. X minus y equals 3. Instead of y, I'm going to put negative 1. So x minus minus 1 becomes x plus 1 equals 3. X equals 3 minus 1. X equals 2.